Hey guys, it's Jacob here with chartslinger.com. Alright, we're going to do a quick video about how I've got my charts set up. We did a poll last week asking if you guys wanted to see how I set up my charts when I'm scanning for everything and finding my setups. So you guys said yes, so that's what we're going to do now. Okay, so I'm using Thinkorswim, the Thinkorswim platform. And I like the black, the dark theme. We'll just go off the spider chart here, SPY. I know a lot of you guys trade that, but let me just delete these lines here. All right. So start off with the first indicator here. It's Keltner channel. I'll show you how I've got my Keltner channels set up. Alright, so my Keltner channels, change them a little bit from the default setting. You can screenshot this if you want to set it up like I've got it set up. So I've got it at a 3.0 factor. Length is 21, because I like the 21 EMA. Average type and true range average type are both exponential. I think in the default it's a 1.5, a 20, and a simple. And we got it to use the close price. Also, I changed the upper and lower bands, the style changed to a dash line, so it's not so in my face. Alright, let's see the next thing. So I've got a 50 SMA and a 200 SMA on here for quick judge of if it's bullish or bearish. Next, I've got down here, I've got the TTM squeeze. I know a lot of you guys are using that as well. If we go into studies, if you don't have it, you can just find it here in the studies. It's down here in the T's, and this should be loaded on every Thinkorswim platform. It's default. And there it is. And they've got some other ones, TTM, to trade the markets. They've got some other good indicators there as well. Alright, next, down here, this is a custom script that I made. It's just a relative volume indicator. So all it's doing is when we get a green bar, that means it's above 100% of the relative volume for the last 20 days. So it takes the average volume of the last 20 days and that sets that to 100%. So if it's over that, then it's saying that that's the 100%. So what this does is it helps me see when we've got a really nice spike in volume, just a good visual. We've also got a 200 line, a 300 line. Kind of tell when these things are really moving. Okay, next, if you see these blue dots, it's also a custom script that I wrote on here. It's relative to this TTM squeeze. It's just to give me a little bit of a visual heads up on the chart in the price action when the momentum starts moving up from being in a bottoming position. So also we've got these blue candles. It's another custom script that I wrote, and what this means is it's telling me when we have a squeeze on and the stock is closing within a small percentage of this 21 EMA. So it's kind of like my criteria for a buy signal. One of my criteria for a buy signal is to have a squeeze on and it's in the vicinity of the 21 EMA. It's how I like to buy when I'm buying calls. And another one is this these dots or these up arrows here, and all that is just telling me when the stock is outside. You get a close outside of this Keltner channel line, it's going to show up there, and that's actually in this same indicator with these blue candles. So that's it, guys. That's how I've got my chart set up. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to hit me up on email or Twitter or, okay, Jacob with ChartCenter.com. Catch you next time.